Alright, what's up everybody? We are here at the Sheraton Hotel in San Diego, California, Mission Valley. Interesting. Elevator 4 and then 1 and 2, so that's interesting. Let's take a ride on these elevators. There's the map. Let's go to 14. I'm going to switch elevators here in a second. There's the number. There's one downside to these elevators, and they play music in them, so that kind of sucks. Of course, there's still music playing. I'm gonna have to blur that out. We'll ride this one more time. Here's your door hold button. And we're stopping at 2. Going up?
Yeah, no, don't worry.
All right. Have a good one, thanks. There you go. Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good one. Alright, there it goes. I want to get this one. Oh, you know what? There's another elevator over there. This left one. I know it's working because I saw it running. Okay, it might be coming now. That's door hold.
Lobby.
There it goes, and that will be it. Okay, we got this one. There's a reason I wanted this one, because this one's separate. This one was installed after the mod. This one's probably a Gen 2. Yeah, permit number is way after those other ones, so this one's definitely. And that explains why it says elevator 4. We're gonna end it on 2. See, that door track is Otis. Why is it closing so slow? Jeez. No music in this one too, and it talks very quietly. All right, there it goes, and that'll be it.